Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for viewing this 2000 Chevy C6500 box truck. This is a diesel 16-foot box truck with the Caterpillar diesel motor inside of it. Only has 188,000 miles on it. AM/FM radio with air conditioning, automatic transmission. Like I said, only 188,000 miles. Let's turn her on. Starts right up. Great sounding running diesel Caterpillar motor there. I've actually driven this truck 100 miles, no problems whatsoever. Great running truck, and it's got a lift gate on it too. Raise this up so you can see it. Show you the lift gate in the back. Great tires on this truck. Look at the tread. You will not have to buy any tires for this truck at all. Not one of them. And for the price, you cannot beat this. Lowers, raises. Got 110 volt electric connector there with the switch. You can turn on the fluorescent lighting in the back. And this is your power lift gate in the back. You're not going to find a truck like this at 188,000 miles that looks as clean as this for this type of money, folks. Jump on it. My name's Rick. Give me a call, 954-394-6581. You can call me anytime. Again, my phone number is 954-394-6581. My name's Rick. Thanks for viewing this 2000 Chevy C6500 Chevy diesel 16-foot box truck. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.